The Galaxy Watch 6 is anticipated to be unveiled by Samsung at its Unpacked event next month, and a steady stream of leaks over the past few weeks have already revealed some intriguing details about it, including the potential return of the physical rotating bezel that was a defining feature for many of Samsung's older smartwatches before it was eliminated from the Watch 5 series last year. The Galaxy Watch 6 will be powered by the Exynos W930, which will be a much-needed upgrade over the Exynos W920 that powered two successive generations of the Galaxy Watch, including the Watch 4 and Watch 5. Now, a new regulatory listing has seemingly revealed the identity of the chipset that will be powering the next-generation Samsung smartwatch. It's odd that the model number for the 930 is the same as the W920, 5E5515, which has led some to wonder whether the new chip would just be a faster version of the current SoC. However, a supporting RF chip is required by the chipset for wireless connection. According to a prior report, the next-generation Exynos chip for wearable technology performs 10% better than the Exynos W920. This improvement might be attributed to either a faster clock speed or better chip manufacture. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are anticipated to have another significant enhancement in addition to the bigger batteries. Rumor has it that they could be equipped with tiny LED displays rather than the Super Emerald screens, which would give even better battery life than their forerunners. In the interim, Samsung previously acknowledged that the FDA had approved the irregular heart rhythm notification health feature, which will be added to its smartwatches this year beginning with the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6. Today, the company provided additional availability information for this advanced Samsung health feature. With this latest revelation, Samsung claims that the ISRN function, which recognizes heart rhythms indicative of atrial fibrillation, will be accessible later this summer in more than a dozen regions. The One UI Watch 5 upgrade will be accessible this summer, according to a Samsung spokesperson. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.